I am happy to be in the middle of such a large gathering of oncologists, researchers, and academicians from India, United States of America, United Kingdom, and Bangladesh. All of you, I understand, have gathered here to discuss modalities of working together to find more customized solutions to treat cancer. It is my privilege to inaugurate this international conference. I reiterate the commitment of Government of India to reduce the burden of cancer in the country by employing latest technologies in genomics, proteomics, metabolomics, and artificial intelligence and machine learning mediated data analysis. Diverse molecular mechanisms, including individual genetic and lifestyle factors, contribute to cancer. These pose significant challenges to treatment. Therefore, it is necessary to better understand the underlying factors patient by patient. With this in mind, many developed countries have invested significant public resources in high impact multidisciplinary cancer research specific to local contexts. India is unique in so many ways. It is important, therefore, that we create indigenous open source and comprehensive database of molecular profiles of all cancers prevalent in the Indian population. I am happy to learn about your efforts in this direction. It makes me especially proud that a consortium of scientists and clinicians from across the world have joined to build an Indian Cancer Genome Atlas. Success of the endeavor depends on the uniformity and integrity of specimens representing different parts of India. I urge you to focus on these important issues that will make the Indian Cancer Genome Atlas useful for clinicians throughout India and thereby ultimately benefit a cancer patient by making treatment both more accessible and affordable in India. Our government remains fully committed to this cause. Through the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Department of Biotechnology, and the Department of Science and Technology, we have initiated large scale mission mode projects such as Genome India, IndiGene, Cancer Genomics, Nutrition Mission, etc. All of these are with the aim of improving clinical outcomes in cancer and other chronic diseases. Yet another step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat.